Like dividend stocks, Bitcoin gives you the chance to make money in two ways. You can make money when the price of Bitcoin goes up, and you can also get a good return on your investment through an interest account. In this video, we compare the best platforms for earning interest on Bitcoin in terms of yields, withdrawal terms, fees, safety, and more. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. 1. Acru. In 2022, Acru is the best place to put Bitcoin to earn interest in almost every way. When you deposit your Bitcoin tokens on this online platform, you can earn an attractive APY of 7%. Your interest will be paid every day, which is great for growth through compounding. Also, and this might be the most appealing part, you can earn interest on Bitcoin at Acru without having to agree to a minimum lockup period. All of the providers' crypto interest accounts are flexible, which is why this is the case. As a result, you can pull your tokens out of Acru at any time if you see a good chance to turn your Bitcoin investment back into cash. In fact, you don't have to move money out of Acru to do this because the platform lets you trade Bitcoin tokens for cash. When it comes to fees, you can keep the APY of 7% that you see. This means that Acru makes money by lending your tokens to high-quality borrowers. Behind the scenes, it does this by charging a higher interest rate. We also like Acru because you can earn interest on Bitcoin even if you don't have any BTC tokens right now. This is because the platform lets you put money in with a debit/credit card or bank wire in GBP, US, or Euro. Then, you can exchange your deposit of fiat money for Bitcoin and start earning interest right away. When it comes to safety, the authorities in Lithuania, which is a member of the European Union, have approved and licensed Acru. Another thing to know about Acru is that the platform's interface is very easy to use. This is true for both its main website and its iOS and Android mobile apps. Because of this, even if you don't know anything about Bitcoin, you can still make money from it. Still, if you ever need help with your account, you can use the live chat feature on Acru to talk to customer service. You can earn 7% on Ethereum and 12% on stablecoins like USD Coin and Tether, in addition to Bitcoin. Overall, Acru is the best place right now to get interest on Bitcoin. 2. Nexo. Nexo is another top-rated platform that lets you earn interest on Bitcoin. All of the crypto savings accounts that this platform offers are flexible, which means that you never have to wait a certain amount of time to get your money. Also, the APY at Nexo are very competitive. For example, if you put your tokens into Nexo, you can earn 6% APY on your Bitcoin. Also, if you are willing to stake Nexo, the platform's own token, your APY goes up to 8%. Nexo is also a good choice if you want to raise interest in a number of altcoins you own. For example, APY for stablecoins like USD is 17%, while APY for DI and USD is 12%. Since Nexo was first released, the platform has helped more than 4 million people in 200 countries set up accounts. This means that more than $200 million in interest payments have already been made. 3. Crypto.com. Crypto.com is one of the most well-known places to buy and sell digital assets. In addition to exchange and brokerage services, the platform offers crypto loans and credit cards, a good DeFi wallet, and even a full-fledged NFT marketplace. Also, Crypto.com has one of the best interest accounts for Bitcoin on the market. Crypto.com has APY that go up to 14.5%. But if you want to earn interest on Bitcoin, the best rate you can get is 6%. To get an annual percentage yield, APY of 6%, you will have to lock away your BTC tokens for 3 months. To get this rate, you will also need to stake CRO tokens. CRO, also called Chronos, is Crypto.com's native token. With it, you can get the highest offers when you earn interest on Bitcoin, and you'll also pay less to trade. If you want to earn interest on Bitcoin but don't want to lock up your tokens, Crypto.com also has flexible accounts that don't require you to stake CRO, but you will only get a 0.5% return. On the other hand, if you don't stake CRO, you can earn 3% APY on a 3-month lockup term. On Crypto.com, you can earn interest on dozens of other cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, as well as Bitcoin. Setting up an account on this platform is easy and only takes a few minutes. Once you have an account, you might also want to think about getting a crypto credit card. This will let you spend your Bitcoin tokens in the real world, like online, in stores, or even at an ATM. The Crypto.com credit card can be used pretty much anywhere that accepts Visa.
4. Binance. Binance is well known among people who trade cryptocurrencies because it supports hundreds of digital currencies and has the lowest fees in the industry. Binance also has the most daily trading volume in this space. Binance also lets you save Bitcoin and earn interest on it through crypto savings accounts. At first glance, we were impressed to see that Binance offers an attractive APY of 5% on flexible terms, which means that you can withdraw your tokens at any time. But it was a little disappointing to find out that only the first 0.1 BTC is paid at a 5% rate. Anything above this but less than 0.5 BTC is only paid at 0.8%. Then, if you have more than 0.5 BTC, you only get a yield of 0.10%. Binance is like BlockFi in that you can only use it if you have a small amount of money and want to make money with Bitcoin. Still, if you want to get a return on other cryptocurrencies, like altcoins, Binance has much higher rates. For example, if you lock up BNB tokens, which are the native token of the Binance platform, for a total of 4 months, you can earn an APY of nearly 13%. In the same way, if you lock Solana away for 3 months, you can earn just over 13%. At Binance, you don't have to stake any tokens to get the best returns. 5. BlockFi. BlockFi is a popular online hub that lets people get both crypto interest accounts and loans. This platform might be best for people who want to earn interest on Bitcoin in a flexible way, even if all they have is a token valuation. This is because BlockFi offers 4% interest on Bitcoin deposits, but only on the first 0.1 BTC you put in. Currently, this was the same as about $400. If you deposit more than 0.1 BTC, you'll get an APY of just 1% on everything above that amount. And if you put in more than 0.35 BTC, you'll only get 0.10% interest on it. Since this is the case, you should only use BlockFi if you want to invest small amounts. Still, BlockFi has a good name in this field, and the platform has a number of security features to keep your Bitcoin tokens safe. For example, BlockFi has a license from the Bermuda Monetary Authority and is in the process of being regulated by the SEC. Also, BlockFi has teamed up with BitGo so that client deposits can be covered by insurance. BlockFi lets you earn interest on a number of other top digital currencies as well as Bitcoin. Currently, the best APY you can get is 11%, which you can get when you deposit Matic tokens. So, that's it for today. Please leave a comment below if you have any further queries, and our team will try its best to answer them as soon as possible. Press the bell button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date of all the latest videos. Thanks for watching.